when do I go to what's a good next step? The very moment he said, hey, we're not interested in the $25,000 trial. Got it, what's a good next step? And by the way, I know this isn't the case, and you're going to think I'm crazy. I had this exact thing happen at a large company that I ran sales for. There was a document management system. We were trying to get into an insurance carrier. It required, this was a multi-million-dollar contract. We were going to do a pilot, and they said, you know, we're just not interested in doing the pilot. I stayed calm, I stayed cool, I stayed collected. It was really hard to do all of that because I had flown to Seattle 4 times on this, and like literally every fiber in my being just wanted to cry and throw up at the same time. But I simply just pivoted to, got it, what's a good next step? And their answer to me was, it is not, the juice is not worth the squeeze for us to do a pilot. People aren't going to come on board. What we would like to do is just look at doing either a super regional deal or across the entire country. So we want you to reprice this as if we're moving forward, right? I was way off base, because here's the other thing you got to realize with these free trials, and this is where software companies get way over their skis a lot of times, because we have people that design software and they're like, we'll just do a free trial, it's great. And it's like, no, here's what there is no such thing. Like, they're going to have to, we're messing with their data, they're receiving their data. So these things sometimes are a lot more complicated than we think, and it's not as simple as them just using it, even though it seems like it to us. They're having to change workflow, they're having to change data, they're having to change that. I digress. My point is, the minute they say no, we should always reflexively, which means without thought, got it, what's a good next step? And if they say, I don't know, we're going to point the question at ourselves. Understood? What's a good next step on my end? Or what's a good next step for me? And then if they go, well, I don't know, we just can't do the free trial, totally get it. Let me think about this over the week. So I'm sure we'll figure this out. Let me kick around a couple ideas, and then I'm going to reach out to you Thursday and next week if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? And then I'm staying next step obsessed. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.